Welcome to the iBaax video tutorial for how to publish a brokerage profile. From the main dashboard, I'm going to navigate up to the brokerage button on the main menu, click, and from there I can then add or edit my brokerage profile. From my profile template, I'm going to want to add my logo for my profile page, so I'm going to click on the change photo of the profile image. I can select an image then from my hard drive. Found my logo and say open. It can allow me to crop this logo and position it nice and square into the middle. Click crop, and there's my logo ready to be saved onto the profile. As you can see, now it's nicely positioned. You can do the same for the profile cover photo. Change cover, say select image. I'm going to go with a nice generic property related image. Success of someone buying their dream home. Scroll down to crop that in and say save. And this now gives us the profile image for the cover of our profile. Now I want to add more information about the company as to our specialities and our coverage areas, so by clicking on add it will bring me to the specialities page where I can add what we're involved in on a daily basis in terms of residential sales, luxury homes, foreclosures, or what we specialize in. I can add that. Clicking add specialities button, it will show up here that they've been successfully added. Now for more information, I can add the years of experience and the rating we have for each of the specialities by clicking the edit button. For foreclosures, we've now been in business for 10 years and we believe we're very good at that, so we're going to set that to 5-star rating. Same with luxury homes. Really only in the last 5 years we've been involved with luxury homes, so we believe we have 4 rating. And residential sales we've been doing for 10 years and very well. Click save. So this now has added all the specialities to our brokerage profile. We can click onto the service area. Again, we could do the same here. Click the add button on the right. You can let people know what areas, regions and areas that we service for the properties. In our case it's New York, and it's around the Astoria area. Still 10 miles outside of Astoria. That's just one of the locations. We can also add that we are New York and Manhattan. And quite an area, 15 radius. Just to see what I've added, we can click back on View Profile and it'll help us understand how much we've filled in. So you can see from the coverage area, Astoria and Manhattan have been added, and also our specialities of the 3 that were selected. Now we need to fill some more information in, a little bit about us. So if I click the Edit button, it'll bring me here to the page where we have our company name. Email address is already input from when we set up our account. Web address, simply paste that in and add that. Can then add our office phone numbers also. So select the international dialing code. We know for United States is 1. And we can find it there with the US flag just for easy viewing. And then there's our office phone number. And it's come up here to say please enter a valid phone number. That's because there are spaces in there, so if we remove the spaces it will validate and show without a problem. Validation helps with the consistency to make sure that the profile is displayed on screen correctly and there's no wrong information to the users. Again, I'll remove spaces and now I've added successfully the fax number. I'm going to add our operating license number for the brokerage. Paste that in, and also we have our corporate and our brokerage profiles for social media, so we're going to add that to the profile as well. People may want to access our Facebook page and follow us on there for more information. Scroll down about the company, you can just fill in a description here. as to when the company was founded, just a little brief information as to who we are, what our philosophy is, and why we'd like you to work with us as your brokerage. Scroll back up the page, you can fill in the details to where our office is located. So by adding the zip code, it will automatically readjust to show where we are positioned, and it's just showing you here that we're in Midtown, New York. Add the street address just to give it the final location on the Google Maps. So that's how the business address for our office is added. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to hit the Save button and save the profile. So you'll see all the information that we added with regards to our telephone number, our office address is now appearing, license number is now visible. Scroll down the page a little bit, you'll see that our About Us text is now shown. Our Facebook page is visible, and also showing our active listings of the properties. Now this is automatically done from the system, whatever properties are added. The same with our agents, they will automatically be appearing in our brokerage profile page. Thank you for watching how to publish a brokerage profile.